today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, something is about to happen for Bitcoin, something which happens approximately every 4 years. What am I talking about? Is this something bullish? Is it something bearish? Is it actually going to happen? And more importantly, what are the price targets we can, in accordance to that, expect for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term and in the mid run? I want to talk about this. I will talk also about my trades and everything on my mind for Bitcoin right now. Let's go straight into it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, as always, for smashing up the like button, watching this video until the very end, and making noise in the comment section. As always, I truly appreciate every single one of you. And now let's get straight into the content. I have some important information to share with you. And you can see we are on the weekly. This is actually the exact time frame where I want to show you one thing which happens every 4 years and which is about to happen right now. First of all, let's quickly elaborate on the daily and wait here with me until the very end. You can see Bitcoin is floating around support and resistance here in this ascending channel. We broke down. I made a video in the moment of the breakdown, and then it was a bearish video, right, where I said, hey, I'm taking out my long positions and I'm waiting for lower prices. Bitcoin went higher and people were actually laughing and saying, hey, we are going back up. No, we got once again rejected, and now the same thing is happening. We are going lower, forming a new lower low on the daily time frame, but also getting a small bounce here. We are still below resistance, so on the daily we remain bearish. It's very important to understand, on the daily we remain bearish. Now, what about the weekly? This is what I want to talk about. And as you know, as always, the higher the time frame, I'm searching here some shadow, that's why I'm not on the street anymore. The higher the time frame, the more important actually the implications from the TA we are doing there. And now I want to go to the weekly, and there's one indicator, you probably know this indicator, which is extremely important to understand what is happening for Bitcoin right now. So number one, of course, that's not the one I want to talk about, but number one, of course, the horizontal support, which is still my worst case scenario for Bitcoin, is still below 29 to 31,000 US dollars. I'm personally expecting even to get a bounce higher than that. I just don't expect the Bitcoin price to go lower than 29. This is something I'm saying since here. I said that. This is my worst case scenario, 29, boom, we got it. And now I'm telling you the exact same thing. I don't see Bitcoin to go lower than that. Now, let's talk about this one indication. And it is, of course, the EMA ribbon. Not only that we are below, that's fine. For me, more importantly than whether we are above or below, because we are getting these fake outs every now and then, right? We broke up here, everyone bullish, including, of course, I was getting very excited. I was saying, hey, we need to break the resistance, but that looks good. Well, we broke back lower, and this is the same thing every single time. We are getting these fake outs very often. The most important thing is the flip. You can see here the yellow moving average and the red moving average, the short term and the red one being the long term moving average. When the yellow short term moving average flips below the long term moving average right here, that is when we are talking about a bearish flip. And here, ladies and gentlemen, I want to zoom out. By the way, if you are still here, smash up the like button, guys. If you already smashed it up, please don't click it again because it unlikes the video. Let's go back here. So let's go back and let's look at when it happened the last time. The last time it happened actually pretty much exactly 4 years ago in September 2018, where we got the bearish flip, and afterwards this massive waterfall breakdown to 3,150 US dollars for Bitcoin. Now fast forward, or like fast backward, another 4 years back. Here we are talking about November 2014, almost 4 years earlier, we got this flip. Boom, what happened? Massive prolonging of the bear market. We actually went, in the moment we flipped from 400 US dollars all the way down to the bear market low of 150 US dollars. Is this chart long enough? We can't really see it, but we got one bearish flip before also again in 2010, I think. Every 4 years this is happening, and I'm not telling you this is happening this time again, because of course times are different. We have more money printing than ever. Bitcoin is actually finally gaining mainstream adoption. All of these things coming into place, yes. So things can be different for sure. At least we want to be prepared for this scenario to happen, and a bearish flip for Bitcoin would definitely be chart-wise not having the best implications. This is something I wanted to tell you. Some kind of a warning going out here. Cautious warning, step back, observe the markets. I'm personally not trading right now. If you want to trade, of course, you can do it in the video description. You will have the links. You can click it, you can claim the bonus, and just wait on the sidelines until the next trading opportunity comes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.